In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an invoice via link. By the end, you'll be able to send a clean, professional invoice to your client without downloading or attaching a file. This approach is fast, keeps everything up to date, and makes it easy for your client to view the details wherever they are. First, head to the Invoices section in your billing or accounting tool. Depending on your software, you'll usually find invoices in the main navigation or under a finance or sales menu. This is where all your issued and draft invoices live, so you can quickly locate the one you want to share. Next, open your invoice. Take a moment to confirm that all the information looks correct. Check the client details, the line items, quantities, rates, taxes, and the due date. If your platform shows a preview, scan it to make sure the totals and currency are accurate. It's much easier to correct anything now before you send the link. Now look for the More Actions option. This might appear as a button labeled More Actions, or as an icon with 3 dots. Clicking it will reveal additional options that aren't on the main screen. You're looking for the setting that controls sharing. Choose Share via Link. Your system will generate a unique, shareable URL for this specific invoice. Some tools may show a brief note explaining whether the link is view-only or if the viewer can download or print. If you see any sharing options here, simply review them so you understand what your client will be able to do when they open the link. After that, copy the invoice link. There's typically a copy button that places the full URL on your clipboard, so you can paste it wherever you communicate with your client. If your tool displays the link in a text box, make sure you capture the entire URL when copying. Finally, send the link to your client. Paste it into your usual communication channel, email, a message, or your client portal. Include a short, clear note so they know what the link contains and any important context, like the reference and due date. Keep your message professional and concise, and avoid including any sensitive information beyond what's necessary to identify the invoice. If your client uses a secure portal or ticketing system, you can place the link there as well to keep all communication in one place. That's it. Click Invoices, open your invoice, choose More Actions, select Share via Link, copy it and send. Simple, secure, and professional.